Hey, what's going on YouTube? Coming at you with another video here. Tim talking about the separation process from active duty. I'll be talking about the timeline and the required paperwork to make a smooth transition. Before we begin, please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps as I try to build this channel. So the transitions process generally starts around 12 to 18 months from your separation date. This is a good time for you to set up your pre-separation counseling with your command career counselor. In this meeting, you're going to select a focus area for your upcoming transition assistance program or TAP. And then you'll also be registered for the course. So focus areas include education, so meaning you're looking to go back to school after the military, employment, meaning you're looking for civilian employment following the military, or entrepreneurship, meaning you're looking to start your own business following the military. It's also a good time for you to update your resume. You can go to Hires Heroes USA and you can get a free review of your resume there. It's also a good time to update your LinkedIn profile. And then if you're interested in doing the Skill Bridge program, it's a good time to engage your command to see if Manning will support. All right, so the next big milestone in your transition is 6 months from your separation date. This is where you can start working on your medical, your VA claim if applicable, and then any reserve affiliation paperwork. So the first thing you should do is reach out to your command and get the separation checklist. You should also reach out to your medical office and get the physical exam checklist, and this will prompt you to get your blood work, urinalysis, dental exam, and audiogram done. You also have to complete a report of medical history form, and then once those forms are complete, you'll be able to schedule your separation physical with your primary care manager. It's also important to note that this is a good time to be in contact with the reserve recruiters because there is paperwork that needs to be completed at your separation physical. I'd recommend checking out my previous video on the Navy Reserves if you're interested in that process. And for those completing a VA medical claim, you should expect to complete the following paperwork. So one's going to be the self-assessment disability questionnaire. This is going to be similar to the report of medical history form that you completed previously. You also have to complete the application form for disability compensation. You're gonna have to obtain a copy of your medical records and then burn those to a CD for submission with your claim. If you're having trouble with this, reach out to your military and family readiness office. They can help with that. And then finally, you should schedule a meeting with a VA benefits advisor for them to review your claim and then submit it to the VA. All right, moving on to 4 to 5 months from your separation date, you should be checking NTIPS for your separation orders. And then once you get your separation orders, you can schedule your household goods move. You should also be submitting your terminal leave sheet around this time, and then you should be scheduling an appointment with legal to update your will before you get out. And finally, once you're 3 to 4 months from your separation date, you should obtain a copy of your draft DD-214 to review for any errors. You should also ensure your editor ward write-up and personal ward recommendation paperwork are in routing. This is especially important if you're expecting a combination medal or higher. You should also schedule your final dental cleaning before you separate, and then you should schedule your capstone meeting at your Military and Family Readiness Center. And at this meeting, you should expect to provide a gap analysis, a transition spending plan, and an updated resume or a firm job offer. So once you're done with those requirements, all that's left is to complete your command checkout sheet and then get a official copy of your DD-214 before going on terminal leave. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found it useful, please hit the like button. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.